Behavior-driven development testing, or BDD, is a type of low-code testing that allows teams to transform simple English into test automation that handles today's most challenging test scenarios. BDD testing uses Gherkin, which is user-focused language that follows the given, when, and then syntax to create use cases and test scenarios that describe how an application should behave. It requires minimal coding for creating code-based step definitions, so it's a great approach for developers, business testers, and test engineers who are looking to expand their automation efforts. Quantum is an open-source, Java-based testing framework from Perfecto that helps you simplify test automation with BDD. Quantum seamlessly integrates with Perfecto, giving you a complete, low-code solution to create, maintain, and execute your tests at scale. This enables you to build more maintainable automation scripts for desktop web and mobile native applications, optimize execution cycles, and build better quality applications. By using Quantum and Perfecto together, you can easily create end-to-end mobile and web test automation scripts with any leading IDE. You can leverage common features of BDD Cucumber, including data tables, scenario outlines, examples, backgrounds, and more. You can extend your coverage with Perfecto's comprehensive device lab, get instant access to thousands of real and virtual devices, as well as desktop browsers that you can run your tests against. Perfecto's secure and reliable cloud infrastructure is always available, so you don't have to worry about dealing with downtime, network clogging, and other issues that come with in-house architecture. With Perfecto's Enterprise Cloud, you can scale your testing and keep up with all your necessary test permutations. Get robust test failure analysis on your BDD scripts. Quickly find real defects and debug your scripts right from your IDE. And lastly, get faster feedback with Perfecto's integrations to your favorite CI/CD tools. Getting started with Quantum is simple. Download the Quantum Starter Kit from GitHub into your IDE, build on the sample projects, and expand to your unique projects for mobile, web, or both. And when you're ready, take your BDD testing to the next level with Perfecto for a more complete and accelerated test automation experience.